how to use Text Maker in Canva. Open any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type canva.com and hit enter. Next up, open a blank page. You can start with any page design you're comfortable with. I've got one ready here, so feel free to open your own. Now let's navigate to apps. In the search bar, type Text Maker just like this and press enter. Click on the app and you'll be directed to the Text Maker settings page. Here you'll see a variety of options available to you. For this tutorial, I'll use this style option. Feel free to choose the one that suits your design best. In the text section, type your desired message. I'll go with "Thank you for watching." You can also select a font style that you like from the list of available fonts. In the line height section, adjust the settings to your preference to enhance your text layout. You have options to customize the text color to make it stand out. Adjust the gradient direction to add a dynamic effect to your text. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click the Add to Design button at the bottom. Click the button Add to Design once more to confirm. And there you have it. As you can see, your text design is now added to your page.